What's up, guys? It's Phil with the Billionaire Club, and today we finna have the weekly recap. We had three movers, three winners that I took this week, and they are being XBIO, CEMI, and SCKT. So first we're going to start off with SCKT. SCKT earnings came out, and they had pretty good volume in the morning, but also what we look for is at the daily chart before anything. When you look at the daily chart, you have to see what day has the most volume, and I go back into that day and see where my levels at. As you can see on the chart, my levels are already drawn. So I'm looking pre-market to see which level is respected in the pre-market while the stock is gaining momentum. So as you can see, 1370s is an area where it's keep bouncing above and below. Keep bouncing above and below. So what we're going to do is we're waiting to see where's the bottom, where's the top, where's the channel at. And when you find the channel, you find exactly where the stock can bounce at. So what you're doing, you wait till your level is under your level, because we're shorting. Wait to see it's under your level, and of course it won't confirm, so you can't add to your winner until 1280s is basically done. And what happens? I seen at the open that it got stuffed, big pop and drop. So it popped a little bit to like 1460s and then dropped all the way to 1260. So I'm scaling into this candle. Once it's dropped a little bit, scaling, and I'm not adding to my winner until I see 1250 drop. And I noted that within chat, saying that I won't add until 1250 drops. So being that I was in tier 2, I was just waiting. And once it dropped past 1250s, that's when I start adding to my position, covering into this 1090s, and also waiting to see if it could drop more. So once it dropped more, that's where you take majority of your profits, and the stock is pretty much dead. It basically faded all day. This is a bounce short, and it was a good winner. About, from the average I had, it was a good 25% gainer. So that's amazing. Then we have CEMI. CEMI was a different play. It was sort of your side chick. It ran the first day on 400 million volume. So you want to see it basically hold its gains, which CEMI did not. CEMI did not hold its gains. It basically sold out by the end of the day, but majority of your volume is within this area. So what did I do? I typically wait to see which level is respected and see which level are on the chart. So we have 620s and 650s. Those are the levels you want. You want to see it pop into those levels. But it could have barely get over 620s in the pre-market at 4:30 in the morning. So therefore, we draw a level, which was the day before. And we have basically 550. So 550 is the area we're watching. And as you can see, it drops below 550. I start placing my orders, and basically I start covering in the fours for 450s. And that's basically this play is more of a scout, being that it didn't give us the 620s until later on. This is the move that you want when it did pop. But by that time I was long gone. I didn't I was out getting the greens and the blues, and the stock did whatever it wanted to do. So next, we're going to talk about XBIO. XBIO was a big winner. I got scared out of the trade because of volume. Volume was overwhelming, as you can see on the daily. 300 million volume to like 200 million volume. So why did I get scared out of the trade when majority of the volume is in here? It was already after 10:30, and the volume was overwhelming at past 10:30. So as you can see, it spiked, and I said in chat saying that I don't want this stock unless it reaches 450s, and that's what exactly it did. It reached 450s. I start placing my orders. I seen volume was too overwhelming, and I basically scaled out for like a 10-cent move. And as you can see, the stock after 11, the stock lost momentum. Lost all momentum and had a full day fade. That's why I love the bounce short. That's why I love taking plays like this, because it's a high odds, high reward play. So that's really it for this week. Only 3 stocks that mainly move for me, and I'll see you next time. Audio Jungle.